In this video, we're diving into practical SEO tips for Shopify beginners who want to rank their stores on Google. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you drive more traffic without technical jargon. Now, have you ever launched a beautiful online store only to find that hardly anyone visits? It's a really common frustration. Search engine optimization is the process of making your site visible when potential customers search for products like yours. While it can feel mysterious, SEO is largely about common sense steps that improve your site's content, structure, and reputation. Preparing your store for SEO. Get the basics right. Now, before you start tweaking keywords, make sure your Shopify store is set up properly. Link your site to Google Analytics and Search Console so you can track visitors and monitor how Google sees your pages. Choose a custom domain. This not only makes your site look professional, but also helps with credibility. Ensure that your store is public and remove any password protection so search engines can crawl your pages. Shopify automatically generates a sitemap for your store, which lists all of your pages. Submit this sitemap to Google Search Console so Google knows where to find your content. If you sell products through Google Merchant Center, verify and claim your store so that your product listings appear on Google Shopping. Keyword research and search intent. Keywords are the phrases that people type into search engines. To find the right keywords, think like a customer. What would someone search for when looking for your product? Use keyword research tools to discover terms with reasonable search volume and low competition. One of the best tools to do that keyword research is Semrush. And if you want to get started with Semrush, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day pro trial. It's also important to consider search intent. Are people looking to buy, research, or learn? Keywords with commercial intent, like buy organic cotton t-shirt, indicate readiness to purchase, while informational phrases like how to wash organic cotton could inspire blog content that draws visitors at an early stage. Optimizing on-page elements. On-page SEO refers to the elements that you control on your own site. Start with your page titles and meta descriptions. Each product and collection page should have a clear, concise title that includes a relevant keyword. Your meta description is a short summary that appears in search results, so write it like an invitation. Describe what the page offers and encourage people to click. Use descriptive, human-friendly URLs. Instead of a random string of numbers, your product page link should look something like /collections, /tops, /products, /organic cotton t shirt. Headings help search engines understand your content hierarchy. Use heading 1 for page titles and heading 2 or heading 3 for subheadings. And don't forget about images. Rename your image files to something descriptive before uploading, and then also add alt text that explains what the image shows. Alt text improves accessibility for visually impaired users and gives search engines more context about your product and images. Building a logical site structure. A clear navigation menu helps both visitors and search engines understand how your store is organized. Group similar products into collections and link to them from the main menu. Internal links. Link between pages on your site helps guide visitors to related products or blog posts. They also help distribute authority throughout your site. Create a blog or write posts that address common questions or topics related to your products. Blogging not only positions you as an expert, but it also gives you more opportunities to rank for informational keywords. Technical and off-page SEO. Technical SEO refers to behind-the-scenes factors that affect performance. Choose a fast, responsive theme so your site loads quickly on both desktop and mobile devices. Compress images and avoid installing too many apps that slow down your site. Use Shopify's built-in tools or third-party apps to generate structured data, special code that helps search engines understand your products and display rich results. Off-page SEO involves building your site's reputation. Encourage satisfied customers and industry partners to link to your store. Write guest posts on relevant blogs or collaborate with influencers. These backlinks signal to search engines that your site is trustworthy and valuable. Monitoring and iterating. SEO isn't a one-time task. Monitor your results using Google Analytics and Search Console. See which keywords are driving traffic, how long visitors stay, and which pages convert. Keep refining your keyword strategy, updating product descriptions, and building new content. With patience and attention, your Shopify store can climb the rankings and reach the customers who are already searching for what you offer. Debunking SEO myths. Many beginners believe SEO is a one-time task or that it requires shady tactics. In reality, effective SEO is an ongoing process rooted in quality content and a good user experience. So avoid gimmicks like keyword stuffing or buying links. Search engines have evolved and can detect manipulative practices. Now, another myth is that SEO requires instant results. While it's natural to want quick wins, building a solid reputation takes patience. If you implement best practices consistently, you'll see gradual improvements that compound over time. Using Shopify apps for SEO. Shopify's App Store includes tools that simplify SEO tasks. Apps like Plugin SEO audit your site and highlight issues with titles, descriptions, or missing alt text. Image optimization apps compress your product photos without sacrificing quality, improving load times. Local SEO and internationalization. If you have a physical location, local SEO helps customers find you. Make sure your name, address, and phone number are consistent across your website, Google Business Profile, and directories. Encourage customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly. Reviews build trust and can influence local search rankings. Now, if you sell internationally, consider translating your store into multiple languages. Shopify allows you to create translated versions of your pages or use apps for automatic translation. Offer prices in local currencies and include shipping information for each region. Making your store accessible to global audiences can open new markets. User experience and conversion optimization. SEO gets visitors to your site, but user experience turns them into customers. Make sure your store loads quickly, looks good on mobile devices, and features an intuitive navigation structure. Use clear calls to action and streamline checkout forms. The fewer steps required to complete a purchase, the better. A/B testing helps identify what works best. Test different headlines, button colors, or product photos and measure which version converts more visitors. Small improvements in conversion rates can significantly increase revenue over time. Creating rich content. Video and blog. Content isn't limited to product pages. Video and blog posts can play a big role in SEO and engagement. Create how-to videos, customer testimonials, or behind-the-scenes footage to showcase your brand personality. Host these videos on platforms like YouTube and embed them on your product or blog pages to increase time spent on site. Regular blog posts signal to search engines that your site is active. Use your blog to answer common questions, share tips related to your products, and cover trending topics in your industry. Encourage readers to comment and share posts to expand your reach. Building backlinks and relationships. Backlinks, or links from other websites to yours, are a key in ranking factor. Reach out to complementary businesses, bloggers, and influencers in your niche to propose collaboration or guest posts. Provide valuable content or insights in exchange for a link. Participate in online communities like forums and social media groups related to your industry. Answer questions, offer helpful advice, and include a link to your store when appropriate. Tracking key metrics and adjustments. To gauge the effectiveness of your SEO efforts, track metrics beyond rankings. Look at organic traffic, click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order value. If a page receives a lot of traffic but few sales, adjust its content or calls to action. Use heat maps to see where visitors click and scroll. This visual data helps you identify areas where customers lose interest. Based on these insights, rearrange elements on your pages or adjust messaging. SEO for images and videos. Images and videos are powerful tools for engaging your customers, but they need optimization to benefit SEO. When uploading images, use descriptive file names that include keywords and compress files to reduce load times. Write clear titles and descriptions for your videos and include relevant tags. Video transcripts provide additional text for search engines to crawl. An engaging video keeps visitors on your page longer, which can positively influence rankings. Leveraging customer reviews and user-generated content. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your products. Reviews not only provide social proof, but also contribute to SEO by adding fresh, unique content to your product pages. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, and show that you value feedback and are committed to improving. User-generated content, such as customer photos or stories, can also enhance your site. Create a branded hashtag and ask customers to share images of your products in action. Feature these images on your website or social media. This approach builds community and creates organic backlinks backlinks when users share their posts. Seasonal SEO strategies. Different times of year present unique opportunities for SEO. Plan ahead for seasonal events like holidays, back to school, or annual sales. Create landing pages or blog posts tailored to these occasions and optimize them with relevant keywords. Seasonal content attracts timely searches and keeps your site relevant year-round. Remember to update or remove outdated seasonal pages after the event passes to avoid confusing visitors in search engines. Your store will climb the rankings. Don't get discouraged by fluctuations. Search algorithms change and markets evolve, but the fundamentals remain the same. Celebrate the milestones along the way. Each time your traffic increases or your products appear higher in search results, acknowledge your hard work. Use these wins to fuel further improvements. In the ever-changing world of e-commerce, the willingness to adapt and learn is your greatest asset. Remember that SEO is about serving people first and search engines second. So by focusing on your customers' needs, you'll naturally see better results. Now, if you want to get started with Shopify, we've got a link for you down in the description below, as well as a link for Semrush. These are both affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.